So I was looking for some heavy-duty crossbars for my FJ Cruiser to mount the rooftop tent. Couldn't find anything I liked, so I decided to make my own. I went down to Lowe's and bought some structural flanges, 3/4 inch, 2 sections of 4 foot, 3/4 inch black iron pipe, and 4 stainless steel U-bolts that were 5/16 by 2 inches. Let me show you how I put these on my FJ Cruiser. Start off on one side by taking one U-bolt in the flange and using the 2 holes that are across from each other. That 2-inch U-bolt fit right over that, making sure that the set screws up so that you can tighten it down later when you put the pipe in. Loosely tighten these up. Take your pipe. I've already pre-cut this one. If you want an easy way to figure out where this goes, measure across where you want the crossbar to be, minus 3/8 from that, and cut your pipe to that dimension. Now we'll move over to the other side and we'll finish putting the other side together. Okay, now take your other flange, lift up your pipe, slide that over, bring that down against your crossbar. You'll put your other 2-inch U-bolt on. Get it centered and square on your crossbar. Go ahead and tighten everything up. Tighten these U-bolts down evenly. Probably don't need to tighten these down too much. This is an aluminum tube that the factory roof rack is made out of, but you shouldn't need to tighten them much more past snug. This set screw though, you're going to want to tighten the bejesus out of this so that it doesn't move. Then go tighten up the other side, do the back one, and you'd be able to tie a pregnant werewolf with this thing, drive cross country, no problem. Thanks for watching my video. We'll talk to you later. Bye.